Okay, in our API call, it pulled 10 products. But actually, in our store, there are 18 products. You can see it here. Now, why this is happening? Okay, you have to look into WooCommerce API documentation. Here, this is the list all products. Using this API URL, you can list all of the products of your store. Here you can pass a parameter called part page. Part page defines how many products it should pull in a single request. The default is 10. That's why it is pulling only 10 products. Now if we pass per page and set a number there, it will pull that number of products. So let's do it. Here per page equal to 20. Now let's see what happens. You can see it pulled all 18 products. So you have to use per page to pull a specific number of products. The maximum number you can put is 100. If you put a number that is more than 100, then it will show an error. So we have successfully pulled all the products from our store. To implement a product details page, add product to cart, automatically change cart item counter on adding new item to cart, finally process the order using checkout. To learn details about Ionic and Angular, develop iOS and Android apps for your WordPress WooCommerce based web store, you can get my full course from Udemy. It is a full-featured web store app video tutorial of around 9 hours. The name of my course is Develop Ionic for Angular iOS Android apps for WooCommerce. Build a complete Android iOS app for your WordPress WooCommerce web store using Ionic 4 and Angular. My course rating is 4.7. You can see it here, and you will be surprised to know that my course has been featured as number 1 in Angular category. My course is perfectly compatible to Ionic 5 and you can migrate it easily with minimal changes. I have separate video for migration in section 13. You are welcome to check my course, see what you will learn, check every section and its content, watch intro videos and public videos to get an idea about what you are going to learn and get at the end of the course. If you need it, then in the description of this video, you can find a direct link with discount coupon. Get the course by clicking on that link. It will offer a promotional discounted price than regular price. In next upcoming lectures, we will implement an ion loaded spinner, pull to refresh and many more features. So keep an eye on this video series.